how to make talking animation like this, and like this. You can make this for you under 30 minutes. I will teach you step by step in this video. This animation will give you a life to faceless channels and it grabs attention of the viewers long time. When I started this channel, I searched a lot of tutorials to make this animation, but no one revealed the secret. So in this video, I will reveal the secret to make this avatar and talking animation. So watch the video without skipping any part. The first step is to get an AI avatar. For this, you can use Adobe Illustrator if you have knowledge in that and money. If not, don't worry, I will teach you a free method to get the avatar using AI. First, focus on getting character with random background. Later, we can modify the background using another AI tool called Adobe Firefly Generative Fill. Now, go to Leonardo AI and create a new account to generate our character. Here, select Absolute Reality version 1.6 as model, adjust the aspect ratio as 16:9 and enable Magic Prompt. Please turn off the alchemy option and start generating. Start giving prompts like a person sitting in a chair in a studio and has laptop in front of him in the style of cyberpunk. Let us test this prompt first. See, Leonardo always generate images with character at side pose. So set the negative prompt as side pose and add portrait in the real prompt, like portrait of a 30 years old boy. We are reaching very near to our desired image. Try to fix what was wrong with this image. So I am giving prompts as looking straight and center, and we got this awful image. The fact is, you will not get the character at first try. Change prompts, models by fixing the problem or what you miss in your character. So after trying for a long time, I get these colorful and high quality images. I will give the prompt in the description. If you are lazy to give prompt, just copy mine from the description and generate at least 10 images, then select the perfect one from those images. Click this upscale button to get the full quality image and download it. I selected this one and let's see how to change the background objects and even outfit of the character. There are two steps to get the background that we want. First, we have to enlarge the background because when we use keyframes, the character will be overzoomed. So to fix this, go to Uncropped by Clip Drop and create an account if you don't have. Click Upload button and drop your image downloaded from Leonardo. Set the size as landscape, reduce the size of the main image like I do and set the image as center. Now click Next button and wait for a minute. Then the remaining places in corners will be filled so that our character size will be reduced. So download the image and repeat this process for 3 to 5 times at least. You can do this at first time itself, but the generations will not be accurate. After this process, see the difference. We got more spaces in the background. So second step is to change the things in the background. For this, go to Adobe Firefly and create a new account. Go to Generative Fill and upload your image. Now just imagine what are all the things you want to remove from it and what are all the things you want to add. So let's start from here. And here we have so much of free space, so let's add an AC here. Erase that area and type an air conditioner. Wow, it even matches with the surrounding colors. Okay, let's change him into a speaker with having microphone at his hands. Erase this spot and write has microphone in his hands. And yes, we got the microphone. It's so realistic, right? You should thank to AI for the realistic generations. And for this tutorial, to thank me, hit the subscribe button immediately. Okay, let's add something at the left corner because that looks empty. Erase that part and try to get a bookshelf. Hey, look at this, so realistic and matches with the surrounding colors. Okay, let's fix this and change the background which is above the character, like a window there. So erase this part and write window closed. Yes, we got it. This looks so perfect. Let's fix this and add some cashbacks at the corner because our channel name is Cash Flow. Let's add a table in front of the character with some objects like a cup of coffee, mobile phones. And we got our final image. So everything looks perfect. Let's remove some unwanted things like these wires and speakers. At last, to download this image, follow the steps carefully. If you download directly, you will get their watermark. So to avoid this, follow the steps I do. First, take a screenshot of the image and then download it. And enhance it in Remini or Wink or Clip Drop. To make this image into a talking video, we have two methods. I will say one by one. Let's see the first method, which is using keyframes in Adobe After Effects. You cannot do this animation without any editing knowledge. This will consume a lot of time. Like it took me more than 5 days to do this avatar and talking animation. So what if someone creates an avatar entirely for you? Yes, If you have no time and have no knowledge in editing or animation, just send a mail to me. We provide you per service to do everything. And the second method will be a simple one and it will not look perfect. Anyway, if you have no time, no money, also just starting a new faceless channel, try this one. First erase the lip spot with any editing softwares, in any methods. Follow this method if you haven't done this. Open PicSart and import the image. Then go to draw and select the color of the skin which is very near to lips and set opacity as 50. Try to draw on one corner of the lips and select the color of another side and repeat the same procedure. Now corners of the lips might be erased. Now go to Alight Motion or any other video editing softwares and import your image. Download a lip syncing green screen video from YouTube and place it on the lips. Try to cover the mouth part and adjust the size to match with the face. Now reduce the opacity to look natural and export the video. Finally, these are all the outputs of each methods. The first one which I made with After Effects look natural and realistic. But the second one looks good when you keep it unzoomed. It is okay when you are starting a new faceless channel. See how I transformed a boring faceless YouTube channel to an eye-catchy attractive video with this simple animation. Try this method. If you have any doubts, rewatch the video because I explained everything very clearly. Or comment down, I will try my best to solve your problem. If you have a busy schedule and you want me to do the whole process, just send a mail. We can talk further. To make AI Reels for free and to make money using Instagram, click here and I will meet you there. Until then, bye, take care and hit the subscribe button to join the Cashflow community.